Get ready for 6 upcoming rulings in marriage cases following an intense multi-case hearing in federal court. AFER's attorneys have asked for an immediate start to weddings in Virginia, and 2 more wins in Florida bring the victory tally in that state to 4. For the American Foundation for Equal Rights, I'm Matt Baum, and welcome to Marriage News Watch for August 11th, 2014. Last week, the 6th Circuit heard oral argument in 6 separate marriage equality cases, which means that all 6 cases are now due for a ruling any day. There's no way to predict how the court will rule, but the 3 judges raised issues involving previous lawsuits, public opinion, and how marriage laws impact children. A decision could come at any time and might cover multiple cases at once or one case at a time. However the court rules, parties are likely to petition the U.S. Supreme Court for review. At least 3 other states will be sending cases to the Supreme Court as well. Last week, Utah petitioned the Supreme Court to hear its case on the grounds that states, not the federal government, should decide issues relating to marriage, even when those issues involve the federal Constitution. An Oklahoma official filed a Supreme Court petition the next day on similar grounds. The 3rd state approaching the U.S. Supreme Court is Virginia. An appeals court there just upheld a ruling that marriage bans are unconstitutional, but stayed that decision pending review. AFER's attorneys argued that the court should lift the stay since it's causing irreparable harm to the plaintiff couples. State officials there filed a petition to the U.S. Supreme Court on Friday of last week. Florida has won 2 more victories for marriage equality. The first came in Broward County, where Judge Dale Cohen ruled that, quote, to discriminate based on sexual orientation is against all that this country holds dear. The second came in Palm Beach, where Circuit Judge Diana Lewis issued a narrow ruling that upheld spousal rights following a death. Last week, Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi asked state courts to stop ruling on marriage until the U.S. Supreme Court has a chance to weigh in. Wisconsin organizers have formed a new group called Wisconsin Unites for Marriage. Their goal is public education, while also persuading Attorney General J.B. Van Hollen to drop his defense of the state's marriage ban. A federal judge ruled against Wisconsin's ban in June, and oral argument in an appeal is scheduled for August 26th, along with a hearing on an Indiana case. Those are the headlines. Subscribe here on YouTube for more on all those stories. For the American Foundation for Equal Rights, I'm Matt Baum. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.